So I'm back at my workshop, safe and warm. A little while ago, I was caught in a blizzard. It was a total whiteout, probably about 2 kilometers outside of town. I left here in the afternoon with my backpack, large tarp, and a small folding stove to keep me warm. When that blizzard hit, it completely destroyed my teepee and knocked it over. With my shelter destroyed, I had to think quick. I grabbed my teepee, leaned it up against a tree to make a windbreak. It was probably the worst shelter I've ever made, but it kept me out of the wind until I could figure out what to do. With my experience, I wasn't in any life-threatening situation, but it's still quite serious. I sat in my little windbreak for an hour, hoping that this blizzard would die down, but it didn't. It just kept getting worse. Got this little makeshift shelter. It's impossible working with this tarp in the wind. It's all tangled up. The best I could do. So I had no choice but to leave my tarp out there. I walked home in that whiteout. I could barely see where I was going. Unfortunately, tomorrow I have to go back out there and grab my tarp. Hopefully the weather is a lot nicer. So I apologize for the lack of footage, but I didn't want to kill the battery in my phone. And actually when I got home I was at 5%. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.